Number 1. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, 2500 Patterson, California. Offered at $2,500 in Patterson, California, this 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza is a distinctive 1960s American compact. It is powered by a 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. This white coupe shows 503,919 miles and has a clean title on non-operational status. It is a non-running project that will need towing. The seller reports new brakes and brake cylinders, but the system still needs bleeding. It also needs carburetor work and a full tune-up. Original stock wheels with dish-style hubcaps are included. Number 2. 1972 Plymouth Valiant Scamp Coupe, $4,000, Elk Grove, California. Priced at $4,000 in Elk Grove, California, this 1972 Plymouth Valiant Scamp Coupe is powered by the original 225 cubic inch slant 6 engine with a 727 torque flight automatic transmission. It shows 89,000 miles and has a clean title. The light blue metallic paint is original but shows surface rust. Floors are solid and the car runs and drives. The interior has a front bench seat and will need upholstery work. Number 3. 1985 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, $1,500, Daly City, California. Listed at $1,500 in Daly City, California, this 1985 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am features an 8-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. It has 200,000 miles and a clean title. The car has rear-end damage and a broken rear window. It is being sold as is for parts or repair and is rated in fair condition. Number 4. 1980 Pontiac Firebird Esprit, $6,200, El Paso, Texas. Offered at $6,200 in El Paso, Texas, this 1980 Pontiac Firebird Espirit is described as an all-original, one-owner car with only 68,210 miles. Powered by a 3.8-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it carries a clean title. The seller highlights its original paint, unique decals, bucket seats, and fully functioning power windows. The car is said to perform strongly on the highway and retains many original features, including working accessories. The Firebird Esprit was positioned as a more refined alternative to the Trans Am, focusing on comfort and style. Low mileage, originality, and single ownership significantly increase its appeal. For buyers seeking a well-preserved, late second-generation Firebird, this example stands out. Number 5. 1983 Ford Mustang GT 5.0 convertible, $7,500, Larkspur, California. Priced at $7,500 in Larkspur, California, this 1983 Ford Mustang GT convertible is an early production example from August of 1983. Fewer than 1,000 GT convertibles were produced that year, making this a rare Fox body Mustang. It shows 43,422 documented original miles and has a clean California title. The car is unmodified and retains its original paint, interior, and complete original drivetrain. It is powered by a 5.0-liter high-output V8 engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It includes factory power steering, air conditioning, premium sound, and the TRX Performance Handling Package. A newer Robbins cloth soft top with lifetime warranty has been installed. The seller notes it runs well, but requires a water pump replacement and brake service after sitting. Early Fox Body GT convertibles are increasingly collectible, especially in original condition. This is a strong survivor with long-term investment potential. Number 6. 1983 Ford F250 3/4 ton Bullnose Longbed, $6,500, Lindsay, California. Located in Lindsay, California at $6,500. This 1983 Ford F250 3/4 ton pickup has a rebuilt 7.5-liter 460 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine with about 4,000 miles since rebuild. It has an automatic transmission and clean title. It features dual fuel tanks and many new mechanical parts. The truck runs but has a fuel system issue that needs attention. Number 7. 1974 Mercury Capri, $10,000, Austin, Texas. This 1974 Mercury Capri Coupe is offered at $10,000 in Austin, Texas. It is powered by a 4-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. The odometer shows 34,923 miles and is noted as rolled over. It carries a clean title. Finished in orange, the car runs, drives, stops, and starts reliably. The paint has imperfections and the interior features some modifications. The car does not have air conditioning and the gas gauge is not functioning. The Mercury Capri was often called the European import fighter, blending sporty handling with compact size. These cars have gained appreciation for their lightweight feel and engaging manual transmissions. This example appears to be a fun driver-quality classic. Number 8. 1975 Chevrolet Silverado C20, $8,500, Fort Worth, Texas. Priced at $8,500 in Fort Worth, Texas, this 1975 Chevrolet Silverado C20 pickup is finished in Willoway Green. It is powered by an 8-cylinder engine with automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The odometer reads 27,590 miles and is noted as rolled over. Clean Texas title. The seller states the engine and transmission appear original. The truck runs and drives well and has been enjoyed over the past year. While not perfect, it presents as a solid starting point for continued improvement. Mid-1970s Chevrolet heavy-duty pickups are appreciated for their durability and straightforward mechanical design. The C20 3/4 ton platform offers strength and presence, and original examples are increasingly sought after. Number 9. 1963 Ford Falcon Station Wagon, $8,000, San Diego, California. Offered at $8,000 in San Diego, California, this 1963 Ford Falcon Station Wagon has a rebuilt 200 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine and T5 5-speed manual transmission. It shows 1,500 miles since rebuild. It includes upgraded front disc brakes, new wiring, fuel system components, and refreshed interior. Number 10. 1962 Pontiac Catalina 4-door sedan, $8,500, Harrison, Arkansas. Located in Harrison, Arkansas and priced at $8,500, this 1962 Pontiac Catalina 4-door sedan is powered by a 389 cubic inch engine with a 2-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission. The odometer shows 56,500 miles and it carries a clean title. The car retains its original interior and is described as very clean overall, with minimal rust in the trunk area. Finished in white, it is presented as a comfortable family Sunday cruiser. The early 1960s Catalina models were known for strong V8 performance and full-size comfort. The 389 engine was a respected power plant in Pontiac's lineup. This example offers classic American styling and usability at an accessible price point.